Tom, excuse me for this, please. Rep the back. Yeah, man, have you got it? Yeah, well, I'll say no. Sick. Might just cut that corner, you know. What's that gap like? Odds. Alright? Yeah. Might just niggle that corner.
Yeah. Niggle it.
Good afternoon. Have you noticed there is a patio under the mud? Crazy. So, cracked on. We have got 2 days left on this job and it is coming together. So, yesterday, I just didn't wave everything. There were nowhere to film. So, we did this top step. I think we put literally 6 flags in. Sorted the copings out over there and we rebuilt this wall here. So today, copings on, that coping on like you saw, and then grind out, jet wash. So that leaves it now for Monday to literally just from 8:30, probably 8 o'clock. But it won't be 8 o'clock, so I'll still be eating my sarnie. Found a sarnie shop last 2 days. That'll be grounded out, that'll be jet washed, that'll be grounded out, that'll be jet washed, that'll be grounded out, and off we go. So, big day Monday, big push, boring day. Boring doing that. Got these gaff of building supplies. 69p, you know, not too bad. Let me spin you around, because I'm going to have to zoom in. I'm not getting my feet mucky walking over there, but like you can see, still a bog on there. So Tom has returned that section there today because we could still see the footing from under the wall. But let me just get under this tree. All that is done. That's where the stairs were. And he's followed it over to the fence and then he just steps down. We're going to put odd brick in on each step up just to neaten the step up a little bit more. But that is it really, it's just finicky bits like that. Shall we put a brick here, shall we put a stone there, shall we do this, shall we do that? That is all that Monday is going to be. And then, like I say, we're round at the front. Let me just take my camera off, because I forgot it over there. We're round at front then, once all this is done. It's just this bit over here. This wall, obviously you've just seen the face from, so that side's built, it just needs to build it off from the top up here. But literally 2 mixes and we're done. And then it's just round the front really. Just bear with me a minute. Sorry about that, I was just shutting gate. It's just round the front really that is a bit of a, not of a concern, but a bit of a mess about. So, I'm about jet washing it round here. You can see flags. So this, like now, it's windier than it was around there. You're just sheltered around there. So, like, this is getting battered by wind and rain. So this might be a little bit harder to clean up. Like, you know, getting black dots out, we'll have to go buy some of that sort of black dot remover, algae remover, all that stuff. So yeah, we're all done. Another week. So I'll see you on Monday, 8 o'clock sharp.